This amazing portfolio website was made for free using AI, and in this video, I will show how you can do the same. You can see this website offers different services. It has past projects, a contact section, and a footer. If you want to build your own website using this AI tool, you can use the first link in description and start creating. You will see an interface like this. Not only websites, but you can also build SaaS and mobile apps using this tool, along with database, hosting, AI, and more. Click here on Get Started and create your free account. You can enter your prompt here. I have entered a prompt that says, build a portfolio-like website that offers freelancing services. You can find the full prompt in the description. If you have a particular style in mind, you can attach it as a reference image here. You can also select the AI model here. I will keep it to default. Next, you can decide if your website will be public or private. However, in the free plan, only public option is available. And finally, there's the audio option available. If you don't have a solid idea, you can see some suggestions here for building. After making all the necessary selections, click on Start Building. The AI will now start building our website, and this process will take some time. Meanwhile, from here, we can connect Stripe, Supabase, and Firebase. These are powerful tools for building advanced websites, and having them integrated makes the platform even more useful. After waiting for some time, our website is now ready. You can see all the details of the website on the left. Before we explore all the features and settings, I will go to full screen mode and show the website. This is the Home section. Then there is the Services section, offering graphic design, video editing, motion design, 3D, and web design. Here we have past projects, and you can see that the hover effects are really good. After this, we have the Contact section, and finally, we have the Footer section. Other than this, if you click on each services, we have 3 different tiers with different perks and pricing. This is present because we had mentioned it in our prompt, and this is available for all the services. We also have the option of viewing past projects, but we haven't added any data here. You can either add your own projects or use AI to generate these as well. We can also filter within our projects. These filters apply properly, and the layout looks clean and organized. Overall, this is a really good website, especially considering that we didn't do anything and build everything for free using AI. If you want to see how it actually looks when the website is live, you can click here. This is the view that will be available to other users. The landing page looks really good and feels like a professional website in this view. All the sections we added are clearly visible and well structured. Let's close this view for now and look at the other options. Here, we have the option to switch between dark mode and light mode. Right now, it's not working because we haven't built it yet. You can simply prompt the AI to build the dark mode. Next, we can change the device view for our website. If we switch to mobile preview, we get the option to select different mobile devices. It might look a bit large right now, but you can adjust the zoom from here. As you can notice, the website doesn't look perfect on mobile yet, but that's completely fine. We can fix and optimize it later. Now let's go back to the original preview and minimize this. If you want to change any settings related to your website, you'll find everything here. This is the Overview section. It shows basic details like the project name, description, and site URL. If you want to share your website, you can copy this URL from here and send it to others. Next is the Versions section. Since this is the first version of our website, we can only see one version here. As you continue improving the site, all future versions will appear here. After that, we have the Users section. If you want to invite friends or teammates, you can click on Invite User and share access with them. Then we have Authentication, where you can configure sign-in methods for your project. Options include Google, Apple, Microsoft, and more. Next is the Security section, where you can manage your website's security settings. Then there's the Domain section. Right now, the website is using a default domain, but you can add a custom domain from here. After that, we have the API keys section, and finally, the Secrets section, which is used for environment variables in your app. You can also view the complete code here. If you're comfortable with coding, you can edit it directly. Otherwise, you can simply use the AI and give clear prompts to make changes. We also have the option to download the entire code. At the end, there's the Database section. Since this website doesn't use a database right now, there's nothing to display here. Let's switch back to the preview mode. Here, we have the Publish button. After clicking it, you get the option to share the default URL with others. You can also add a custom domain from here. Clicking on it takes us back to the same domain section we saw earlier. If you want to upgrade your plan and use a custom URL, you can click on Upgrade Plan. Here, you'll see the different pricing plans. We're currently using the free plan, which gives us 10 credits per month. If you need more features or want a custom domain, you can choose one of the paid plans. Monthly plans are slightly expensive, but if you switch to an annual plan, you get a 50% discount. So, this was everything about how you can build a website using Blink.new. By following the same steps, you can also build SaaS and mobile apps. If you want to know about other amazing AI website builders, you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.